The Onassis Cultural Center is a contemporary arts venue. We're a very extroverted space. We believe in communicating with people and communicating outside our immediate audience environment within Greece. One of the main elements of our strategy for achieving this is to be part of networks. So it was a logical step for us to apply and luckily get the leadership of a large-scale Creative Europe program, which is called Interfaces. It brings together 9 institutions from 8 different countries focusing on audience development in the field of contemporary music, sound art, everything to do with what music and sound is today.
Involving 30 participants from Greece and abroad, from a wide range of organizations, including research institutions, universities, contemporary music ensembles, and cultural and production centers, the Onassis Cultural Center, within the framework of the Interfaces project, invited Remix from UK and Isobor, a digital marketing agency, to facilitate and develop a workshop on new media, ICT and audience development.
This was a workshop that we did as part of the Interfaces project, and we were looking at engaging new audiences through ICT and new media. And it creates a really interesting opportunity to find people that otherwise wouldn't necessarily be interested or know about some of the great art forms that we're producing, whether it's sound art, whether it's music, whether it's some of the visual art that we had in the room. So there are great examples of formats out there at the moment, and you can just think of lots of different YouTube stars in other industries. They're able to communicate what they're doing very, very effectively through very innovative formats. And what we wanted to do is take some of the greatest formats from, say, YouTube or other platforms and apply them to the arts and culture industry. We've got great content here, so this is very much about finding new ways of drawing in audiences that otherwise wouldn't be familiar with what we're doing.
What we tried to do today was to give a general landscape of the social media platforms, give them a deep dive into how each platform works, sharing facts and trivia and things that guessing that not everyone knows, and then guiding them through a structured process into creating a content strategy and a communication plan, giving them awareness about the rules of each platform, some indication of how advertising works there, and then trying to share some best practices of very good content, and also have a practical exercise on actually creating a content strategy of a virtual organization, a band, an ensemble, or anything.
This workshop brings together people from different organizations and different disciplines, giving them the opportunity to interact, learn from each other, and discover new ways in order to engage with new audiences.
I must say that this workshop was a great opportunity for me just to find a kind of path of articulating what our brand is for in a very clear and inspiring way.
We were activated with the help of examples. We had to be creative, we could perform and create new concepts, and this activation was really helpful in mastering the task instead of just listening to the presentation.
Είχαμε τη μοναδική ευκαιρία να βγούμε εκτός εργασιακού περιβάλλοντος, να συζητήσουμε για πολύ δημιουργικά πράγματα, για το πώς μπορούμε να αναπτύξουμε νέους τρόπους επικοινωνίας με διαφορετικά κοινά, καινοτόμες ιδέες σε σχέση με το brand μας, με το πώς μπορούμε αυτό να το επικοινωνήσουμε σωστά και να είμαστε πιο κατανοητοί και ενδεχομένως πιο αγαπητοί στο κοινό.